In case you haven't copied the CBA2, I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm logged in as Miss Rivera right now. So to find the test, you would have to click on my name right here, and you're going to click on the little triangle, public, and she would need the fourth grade math test. So she's going to click here. Then you click copy over here. And then on your name, you're going to click on your public folder. If it doesn't show, you got to click on the little triangle. Click on the little triangle, go to your public folder, and paste. And automatically it gets pasted onto your folder. So now when the kids log in, if you already added them to your team, when they log in, they would see your name. They would go to your public folder and they would double click on the test. Let me go back in. So they would click on your name, the teacher's name, go to your public folder, double click on the test, and it should open up. Okay, let me go to the beginning of the test. This is where they're going to navigate on here. So they're going to turn the page right here, and they would hit play for it to start reading. Now I found that the voice for Ryan, so I don't know if it's saving on everybody's or not, but if they go here to the little audio options, you want to go to the Ryan voice. Remember, it is artificial intelligence reading it. I found that the Ryan reads pretty much the best. You have to slow it down a little because since it's the AI, they sounds kind of slurred. So slow it down at least two, or have the kids find whatever setting works for them. But if you do it here, it'll transfer onto theirs. And I want to say I did it on all of it, but just in case it doesn't, you may have to do that. So let the kids know that if they click here, they can change their audio options. Now it will read to them. They also have the option, like let's say they don't know the word rink. So they click on it, then click over here, there's a dictionary. So it'll define the word rink to them. If they still don't get it, they can hit the picture dictionary and then synonyms and translations. Not everything has a synonym or translation. Okay, so that's one thing. Now I did add up some of the pop-ups and rollovers. You will see them where there's a question mark, so let the kids know, and it should automatically read some. But anything with the question mark is an accommodation on there. So let me see if I can find one. Right here, there's a question mark. So this one,
Sum. The total amount resulting from addition.
so that gives them the definition for the word sum. And again, that part isn't necessarily necessary, but just that they get in the habit when they take the test online, the real test, they're going to have like little icons that let them know there's a pop-up or rollover. So they get in the habit of clicking on it. And what else? What else do you need to know on here? They have their highlighters. Here are the highlighters, and I found the highlighters are a little tricky. So they choose their color. In order to highlight, they have to hold their mouse pad down and drag, and that'll highlight. Now to erase, they're going to go here, and it's going to be the same thing. Hold the mouse pad down and drag. They can add circles to it. Let's say they want to circle something, and I wasn't able to get this strikeout to work, so I'm not sure how this one works. It's supposed to be a pencil and lets you write, but I haven't been able to get, oh, there it is. It worked. So they want to strike something out. They just got to hold it down. And let me erase that so I don't ruin this test. That strikes something out. Oh, it did work. Okay. And then again, they can circle answers if they want to, or circle something important. And again, I'm going to go ahead and erase it. What else? What else? They got their highlighters. I wasn't able to find a pencil where they can just like write or scribble on the test. So I guess if they need to, let's say they want to shade in something on here. Let's see if it'll let them do that here. No. I wasn't able to do that, but there is a workaround. And they can download the extension Web Paint and it'll let them write on their screen. And let's see if they want to make a note of something, they can add in a note. They can add in a note, and that's about it of what they can do. If you go here, you can assign it to Google Classroom if you choose to do that. The only thing I found, sometimes it'll pull up old Google Classrooms, so that's also an option if you want to assign directly to Google Classroom. And that's about it. If you have any questions, let me know.